Chromyl chloride test, the confirmatory test of chloride ion and the most colorful reaction in inorganic chemistry. Chemicals required: chloride salt, potassium dichromate solid, concentrated sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide solution and lead acetate solution. Procedure: in chromyl chloride test, you have to take solid chloride salt and potassium dichromate mixture in a test tube, and then you have to add concentrated sulfuric acid few drops, and when this mixture is heated gently, the red vapors of chromyl chloride is evolved. Now, when this red vapors of chromyl chloride is passed to sodium hydroxide solution, it turns yellow due to formation of sodium chromate. And when lead acetate solution is added to this yellow sodium chromide solution, then yellow precipitate of this lead chromate is formed. And this confirms the presence of chloride ion. The reactions. In this process, these chloride salt, potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid reacts to form the chromyl chloride vapors along with sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate and water. The chromyl chloride on reaction with sodium hydroxide forms the sodium chromate, and sodium chromate when treated with lead acetate solution, then yellow precipitate of lead chromate is formed. Mechanism. The first step is generation of hydrochloric acid. The comparatively stronger sulfuric acid releases the weaker hydrochloric acid from the salt. So, hydrochloric acid generated, and second step is the generation of chromium trioxide. The hydrochloric acid reacts with potassium dichromate and forms this chromium trioxide. Third step is the formation of chromyl chloride. The hydrochloric acid combines with chromium trioxide and forms the red vapors of chromyl chloride. Reaction characteristics. No redox change. Throughout the reaction, chromium remains in the +6 oxidation state. In potassium dichromate, it is +6 state. In chromium trioxide, it is in +6 state. Even in chromyl chloride also, it is in +6 state. Double role of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid plays double role in this reaction. So, the first role is it releases comparatively weaker hydrochloric acid from its salt, and the second role is it acts as dehydrating agent whereby it absorbs this water, and this reaction equilibrium moves in the forward direction, that is towards the formation of chromyl chloride. Queries: why chromyl formation is not possible by bromide and iodide? In case of bromide and iodide, here either hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide will be formed, and hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide are reducing agent. They will reduce this potassium dichromate and itself will be oxidized to either bromine or iodine.